Okay, so very good evening to everybody, and this is the first live that I'm making. So, what I would like to do today is that I would like to read out some of the comments which I occasionally receive on my YouTube channel, that is Physics for Students. So, my name is Shounak, as you all know. So, let us start today's live. I would like to uh, read out some of the comments, although this is my mobile, right? So I cannot show you flash right on the comment box, but yes, I will definitely spell out the names for those who have been writing with me, those who have been very supportive, and you can ask me any question if you like. So that is how it is. So the first question that I would like to thanks somebody called Al Hassan Malik. So Al Hassan Malik has given feedback, comment on this is great. Thank you so much, sir. And this is a comment on this mathematics teachers, that interview question which happened. So Al Hassan, thank you very much for putting up the comment, and I really would like to continue making more videos on answering mathematics, physics, and physics question answer. And I really like that. One of my forte in my job is to counsel the students and help them to type out and tell and guide something. So this is one. Second one is Vishaka Basnaik. Okay, so she told that please add Gauss's law if possible on my video on history Maxwell's equations. So yes, Vishaka, I would definitely like to. Uh, yes. Okay, so think you share. Okay, Paul Robert Araujo is telling thank you for sharing. Okay, okay, yeah. So that's welcome. So thanks, Paul. Let me write to Paul. Thanks, Paul, for being here. So Paul is now online and is telling. So Paul, if you do have any question for me regarding anything regarding physics, mathematics, how do you like the channel, how you don't like, so you can type out something. And there are six people around here, so I would like to answer to anything that Paul would ask. Okay, another question, another comment coming up from Sayan Sagar on the video of mathematics of quantum mechanics. He says that next video, please. So Sayan, if you're watching or you're not watching, I am making the video tonight and will try to post it by tomorrow. So yes, and I will wait for any question from Paul. In the meantime, I will go out for another subscriber of mine, Baruch Spinoza. Well, that's wonderful. Baruch Spinoza says, brilliant explanation. Thank you. In my last video on general relativity, this is on the Christoffel symbols, a little bit technical one. But yes, Baruch, thank you very much for your wonderful feedback. And yes, I will try to make more things on this. Okay, another important and a very regular subscriber of mine, although you are all regular, is Aslam Kamal. And he says that, okay, okay, Ben Mokhtar Lofti. Okay, Ben Mokhtar Lofti says the king. I really don't understand, Ben. So if you can just type out what actually you mean, the king, I really would like to answer that. Okay, Aslam Kamal says that it was really easy. I was sad because it was not full of complex mathematics. I love mathematics and physical equation. Yes, Aslam, I understand, because the video that I was making on this what you called the classical mechanics, I was trying to make it. Oh, Pavan, how? Hello, hi, Pavan. Hello, how are you? So, hi, Pavan. Good to see. I thought that nobody will come. So one by one. So Pavan Gaonkar is a very, very dedicated person in physics and mathematics, and he is he's a subscriber also. So he keeps on watching my videos. He contact me in WhatsApp also. So Pavan, hello. If you can watch me, I think my is my audio clear, Pavan? Can you just send me a yes or no on the chat, because I cannot really hear. Is my Can you hear me, Pavan? Yes or no? Pavan is yeah, it is clear. Okay. So just to tell you all, the reason that I am coming on live today is that apart from physics and mathematics videos that I put on, I really find it useful to make more videos on career counseling. Now, you really don't know, most of my, Pawan knows me, maybe Ben Mokhtar knows me. Apart from my research and analysis on physics, mathematics, quantum mechanics, oh, Karan Nalwat, namaskar, namaskar. Namaskar, Karan. Very warm welcome. Good evening, and thanks for joining with me. Namaskar, Karan. You have been very supportive. So, thank you very much, and please be with me for another few minutes. I'm discussing something very important. So, Pavan and Gaonkar and Karan has been a very good supporter. I am really thankful because he keeps on asking me question. It disturbs me, and I like people who disturbs me. Right. Okay. So the thing is that what I was telling to all of you is that apart from the physics and mathematics, one thing is very important, which I'm finding in nowadays. When I went to Bangalore, I told you have watched my video on interview question as a physics teacher in Bangalore. Now, see the problem. I don't take me wrong. I mean to say, I don't want to criticize all of you. You have come online. I'm so thankful. But one thing is that when I went to Bangalore, I find out that apart from physics, mathematics, thermodynamics, etc., question, one thing is very important. Somebody wrote me, I don't know, is that how do you introduce yourself in the interview? I think, Karan, you will also agree with me, Pawan will also agree with me, and others, that introducing yourself in the interview is something which is very lacking. So somebody tells me, Shaunak, introduce you myself. So I will say, uh, yeah, how do you visualize conformal mapping? Yeah. Okay, so this is another question. This is Mark coming up and asking me. So, Mark, I would like to answer this question. I mean to say, to be very honest, visualizing conformal mapping is very difficult. I mean to say, you just cannot close your eyes like vectors or tensors and you can visualize them. But yes, in order to visualize the conformal mapping, what we need to do is that we need to create a computer generated image. And don't worry, Mark, I will definitely come back to a separate video on visualizing conformal mapping. This is something which Mark asked me in my video in complex analysis also. So I would like to thank Mark. Thank you, Mark, for this question. But hold on for a few days. I am on the roll. I am making a video on conformal mapping where I will definitely answer your question how to visualize conformal mapping. Mark, are you happy with me or are you still angry with me? Yeah. Okay. So all these things, Mark, stay with me for a few more minutes. I know a little bit late here in US and UK. I mean, I will just answer. I will take a few questions. So what I was telling to Karan and Mark also, and to all the young people, I don't know about your age. Okay, Ashirvad. Namaste. Namaste. Hello, Ashirvad. Namaste, Ashirvad. How are you? How are things at your end? Health and everything is fine. All the studies going on good. Okay. So, what I was telling is that how to intro. Ashirvad, you were there, so I think you should listen to this part. So, what I was telling is that how to answer interview question, how to introduce yourself. You say, so what is your name? My name is Shaunak, and I make physics and mathematics video. I have done my master's in physics and a bachelor's in pure mathematics. So what? So, what the interviewer always tells that tell me something that is not written in your resume. Okay, Ashirvad. Yeah, Ashirvad says yes. So I think Mark is listening to me, and Mark, don't fly away. Otherwise, I will be very sad. I will answer to your technical question. Be with me. So when you say that this is my resume, okay. So what do I write in the resume, etc. So everything is written over here, and then I continue. So what the interviewer? I meant to say I went for a couple of interview as a data scientist. Just a second. Just hold on. This charger is creating a problem. Oh, okay. So I went on for a few interview in Bangalore as a data scientist. So my friend is here. So he told me, Shaunak, why don't you sit in the interview board? So what they're telling is that they want to know something more that is not written in the resume. Now, what is something more? They are telling that tell me something a little bit about your passion, about your hobbies, about your interests. Now, if you say that, okay, Ashirvad, so for example, Ashirvad is taking my interview, and I tell Ashirvad, sir, I make videos. So Ashirvad will say, so what? That means the recruiter wants to know something which actually matches with the job. Now, for example, Ashirvad or for example, Karan is going for a job as a physics teacher. Now, if there is is a kind of a hobby which matches with the physics teacher job, then only you will you will tell about that. Okay, just a minute. Rocky is asking, good evening, sir. Good evening. Rakesh, okay, Rakesh, hope you're doing good. Yes, I'm fine. You're doing a great job. Can I mail you personally on doubts my GR? Absolutely, absolutely. I will write down my email ID. Contact dot physics for oh sorry students at. I am so happy. I'm so thankful to all of you. I never thought that the people would really come and listen to me. I thought that the live will go waste. Yeah. So, Rakesh, you can write to this ID and I will give you my WhatsApp number also. It is all very open. Okay. So, yes, you can do. Thank you, sir. And I'm jealous I'm not having. So, Rakesh, don't worry. I am always there. I'm always there to support you morning, evening, night, only when I'm not traveling to Vietnam, because I've got a few travels in Vietnam and Thailand coming up by the end of this week. I will definitely answer your question. Anything, not only relativity, quantum mechanics, complex analysis, real analysis, anything that I know, I will definitely help you. Okay. Rocky, so don't go away. I'm discussing something very important. I want you to stay. Okay, Mainak is asking, what about your visit to the Amol Kumar? Mainak, to be very honest with you, I cannot find the house of Amal Kumar here in Calcutta. So I asked Shubhankar, one of my friend who is doing a research in rocket science. He told me that I will try to find out the house, and I am really, really hopeful that I will make a video on Amal Kumar Chaudhary. Is one of the greatest, one of the best, and one of the brilliant scientists, only Indian to work on the works of Stephen Hawking. And you really don't know. I talked to Professor Daksh. You all know Professor Daksh, right? One of my teachers. Mainak, you know or you don't know. Mark, also you don't know. Okay, Professor Daksh Lohia is one of the students of our late Stephen Hawking, Dr. Stephen Hawking. He has been with Cambridge. I came in association. I took an interview also. You can find it in my channel. So Professor Daksh was one of my. Professor Daksh also told me that. Yeah, I'm coming to you, Ben Mokhtar. So Professor Daksh also told me that it is called Roy Choudhury equation. You can search it right now in the internet, Ray Choudhury equation. And Ray Choudhury equation is an equation based on what Roger Penrose and Stephen Hawking created the singularity theorem. So you really understand how big and a great scientist he is. Roy Choudhury equation is the equation based on which Stephen Hawking and Dr. Roger Penrose basically created a video, created the Penrose-Hawking theorem. So definitely we should pay respect to Amal Kumar Chaudhary. Okay. So Mainak, now it is up to God and to Shubhankar. If he can find out the location, I will go in front. I will take a special permission, which I did with Satyendranath Bose, and I will do that. Okay. Uh, Penrose is a living legend. Sir, twistor theories, yeah, absolutely. Mark is absolutely right to the point. So, Mark, yes, twistor theory is something which I am willing to make with quantum mechanics and spin. When we talk of spin of an electron, twistor theory comes up. So, definitely, twistor theory is very important. But again, as Mark, you were telling that if computers are used for generating abstract complex structure, then how can we intuit what is this generating? Yeah, but the thing is that, Mark, it is again a reverse question. If the computers are generated by human beings, so if human beings can think of abstract structures, we are trying to make abstract structure. Okay, wait, I will just show you, Mark, just a second. Okay, see, this is the bookmark. Can you see this bookmark? Everybody, not only Mark, all the 12 my loving subscribers and my friends. So this is the book called Emperor's New Mind, and this is where Roger Penrose actually actually answered your very interesting question. This one, that if a human being, computers can generate abstract complex structures. So read this book. If you want, I can send you a PDF copy also, or on your birthday I can give you a gift. No problem. I don't mind spending money. So to all of you. So this is a book where Roger Penrose actually answered the question about mind and human computing. So yes, So that is one. So what I'm coming back to, what the again the point what I'm trying to make is that all of you, Mainak, Rocky, Ben Mokhtar, you need a help in Riemannian geometry, let me know. I will definitely answer. Everybody, Karan Nalwat and whoever is there, Pavan, I would really, I would really request all of you one thing, apart from your physics, mathematics, etc., whatever you're doing, one thing I would really request you, please work on your communication skill. All my dear students, you're just like my Stephen Wolfram. Yes, I know. Yes, definitely the maker of that Wolfram mathematics. Yes, definitely. And I think in the last video I showed one of the paper of Stephen Wolfram. I don't know. I need to remember. I make so many videos. Okay, so what I was telling to all of you, Rocky, Mark, and everybody, please work on communication skills. See, I know that you are young people. Some of you might be working, etc. Uh, uh, but the one thing in Bangalore, etc., what I found is that there is a lack of communication skill. For example, so Rakesh, tell me about yourself. So don't take me wrong. I'm not pointing to Rakesh. Say, for example, I'm pointing, Shounak, tell me about yourself. So we'll say, sir, uh, uh, my name is Shounak. I mean to say, I have been into physics, mathematics honors. Are you all getting my point? This is where most of the Indian students are lacking, and this is not true in UK and US. Don't take me wrong, but the problem is that this I mean to say and usage of the word like this. I went to physics honors, I did my special paper in thermodynamics, I mean to say, you got this. So what I would request you is, please start talking. I mean to say, pure English, normal English, not very difficult English, but without any gap. My name is Shounak. I am a physics honors from the University of so and so. I have done my bachelor's with specialization in pure mathematics. I work in Asian College of Teachers, teaching physics, mathematics, and counseling the students. I would like to talk a little bit about myself. See, there is no gap, no no all those things. And I will tell you, take a mobile, record it on your WhatsApp, and if possible you can send it to me, because I am also a communication trainer. Recently I got my tour in Thailand and Vietnam, right? Yes. Yes, our education is not perfect. The problem is that we give more stress on what we say, theoretical part rather than communication. But whatever, I can tell you, I have seen the curriculum of Cambridge University, physics honors. Physics honors, Cambridge University, vis-a-vis Indian University, physics honors. Physics honors in Indian University, Calcutta, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Delhi, whatever, Hyderabad. These are much better, my dear. The intensity of study, real analysis, complex mathematics, these are much more in India rather than in Cambridge. Now you will say, sir, then why do people in US get a better job? Because of the communication. Take it from me. The reason I am coming live today is just not to criticize you. I'm all very thankful. So many subscribers in 1.5 years, the love that you have given, Karan, Ben Mokhtar, Rocky, Rakesh, everybody. It helps me. Yeah. Europeans have open mind, which is needed to do high level math. Yes. Now, Mark has got a very important point, which I would like to tell you. Now, you don't know me. Really, you don't know me. What age would be mine? Mark, can you guess what is my age? Or Rakesh, can you guess what is my age? Girls never ask that about their age, but you can always guess my age. Guess my age, whatever my age. Type it out, Rakesh. So, roundabout. Yeah, I think this Arya Mate got it right. In my college, when I go and I never talk about, for example, a girl called Priyanka. No, mathematics hub. No. 79. Oh my goodness. Minor, do I look like 79? Then all my years and yeah, around 32, 38 to 42. Right. Arya Mate is absolutely right. So the thing is that when I say, oh, Priyanka, can you tell me your birthday? But I won't ask the age. Okay. So what I was telling is that when I, at a very ripe age of Amal Kumar Chaudhary, when I went to him in Jadavpur University and I asked him a question. You will see this in the video also. That, sir, what is the difference between Indian students and when you go to Cambridge? Because he was working with Fred Hoyle, Jayant Narlikar, etc. Jayant Narlikar, I'm so sorry. So he was old. He was eating what you call muri in Bengali. And he told me that, Shounak, see, there is a difference. I will tell you. So he told me, sir, tell me. So he told me that, here in India, for example, Presidency of Jadavpur University. Yeah, Harsh, I'm coming to you. I'm just sharing a small, very important incidents of my life. You will like it. You can listen. So when somebody says that Einstein told E equals to mc squared, for example, or this is the equation of thermodynamics, nobody will challenge in India. Oh, Einstein has told. That must be correct. But in Cambridge, in Oxford, or in European University, what this person was telling, who was that? Mark, yeah. They will say, prove me why Einstein has told equals to mc squared. Prove me that this is the law of entropy. That means what Mark and others were telling, they are very right, that the question of challenging an authority is not present in India. But I can still tell you, I have been around different countries. I can still tell you, Indian education, I mean to say, education as a whole is by far the best. Indian system of mathematics is by far the best. And I can tell you all this. Thailand, Vietnam, I'll tell you few of the countries which I know: Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Russia before this war, Singapore, Ireland, and UK. All of this, if you take ahead India, India stands in terms of education as one of the best. We Indians speak the best English. I can tell you, I can challenge anybody. Any country, I can challenge you. They all have an accent problem. Now, accent does not means like. They will say, for example, there is accent problem of closing the mouth. So, for example, I am reading out, sir, what are the career prospects of doing PhD in theoretical physics? This is an accent problem. And this is an accent problem. This is an accent problem which is present in Scotland, which is present in Germany, which is present in France. But this accent problem is not with the Indians. So please feel free. Please feel happy that you are an Indian, we are Indians, whatever, Indians, outsiders. But in India, if you speak well, you get a job anywhere. You get a job as an English teacher, you get a job as a physics teacher, you get, because why? Because yes, Irish is tough to comprehend. Because why? Because the way we speak English, everybody can understand. You know, David, have you seen me in my Facebook profile? No. David Burke, one of my senior students, is now in Saudi Arabia, but he's not from physics, he's teaching English. He told me, Shaunak, anyone from India can get a job in Saudi as a physics or mathematics teacher. I told, why? Because your English is absolutely clear. Your English can be understood. Your English does not have an accent problem. And your education system is the best. See, I am not in a position that I really want to tell something wrong, but I want to motivate the young people. There are only two things which are lacking within, I also think, within me. One is the English and clear communication. You don't have to speak like Tom Cruise. My name is Shaunak and I belong to, nothing like that. You won't be able to do that. We don't have to speak like, for example, like an Irish or something like that. But only thing is that you need to speak neutral in English, clear English. That's all. Okay, I will answer a few of the questions also. Harsh is asking that, what are the career prospects of doing PhD in theoretical physics from India and abroad? Where do we get more research opportunities doing it from India? Okay, very good question. I would also request all of you to listen to that. Now, Harsh, doing a career prospect as a theoretical physics in PhD, I would say that you better do the research abroad. Now, there are two things which I would like to say. This is a very important, very pertinent question. Very good. Thank you, Harsh. Thank you very much for asking this question. And thank you, Rockstar Abhi, for my video on Satyendra Bose. Abhi, just be there. I will just tell you what is that. But this is a very important question. Now, see, when I see people both in UK and India doing research,
in two subjects. India, if you do a theoretical physics research, I would request Harsh to do more on applied mathematics or applied science. For example, quantum mechanics, if you do a research, or you go into quantum computing, or for example, data science, data computing, handling data, right? This is much better, Harsh. Now, you will ask me why. Now, see, for example, you do a research in theoretical physics, real analysis, complex space, etc. Now, what happens is that you have to understand that India doesn't have the huge amount of infrastructure in terms of, I would say, astronomy or astrophysics. See, general relativity means what? Structure of space time, right? Then you will get a telescope and we will say, Shounak sir, I can see the Milky Way on the top of your house, right? So the research that you do in general relativity will be more applicable to large scale structure of space time, to astronomical areas. And India, to be very honest, don't take me wrong, India doesn't have that infrastructure. You will fail, that you will won't get a chance to really validate your research. Your research has to be validated. But yes, if you do a research in applied mathematics, while Probal sir is doing in applied mathematics, say for example quantum physics, quantum mechanics, quantum computing, very important, then I think that you will get a better kind of an idea. But do not go into something which is very abstract until you get a job outside India, because getting a job within India on a very, very, what I would say, I would say theoretical part is very difficult, my dear. For example, you invent an idea on what is called modular form. You know, modular form, on which Professor Andrew Wiles actually proved the Fermat's last theorem and got the Abel prize. Please don't do that. I'm not saying you won't get a chance, everything is good. But my dear Harsh, what I would request you is that money is an important factor. I have seen both. I have gone through many phases in life when I had no money. I have to actually ask money from my father and have to carry on with my education, etc. So I would really request, first go for something which will give you this, and then you pursue your career. Now you see me, I can make videos on any topic because I have got a good career, I have got a money, my family, my daughter, my sister, my elder father and mother, they are all happy. But what would have happened, Harsh? I would have done a theoretical physics research and I had no money. I cannot fill up my mobile, I cannot go out and take care of my elder parents. Harsh, are you listening to me? I think I am not too much emotional. I hope you can understand what I'm saying, right? Harsh, are you there? If you can say me yes or no. Okay. So, okay. I heard a Russian mathematician writing a book better than anyone. Yes, Russians are very good in terms of mathematics. I mean, Grigori Perelman or other proves that. Okay. We are actually ahead, but we need to utilize, yes, Dower J Deka. We will definitely rise high. No, no, Deka, it is not a question of rising high. We are already high. We are already one of the best in this world. Indians, we are the best in terms of education, mathematics, everything. Only thing is that there is a problem in terms of communication. There's a problem in terms of attitude. Attitude means, oh, if I go there, will I be able to adapt? If I go there, will I be able to get home cooked food? This is the problem. This is the problem. You understand? So, Harsh, yeah. So I was thinking. Thanks for the clarification. I was into theoretical physics. Okay, you did from Bits Milani. Okay, that's wonderful. That's a wonderful place. So, so Harsh, I would request that until you really do not have the finance, I mean to say, your father is very rich, you have 10 crores in your bank account, and you can do research and research and research. Then go ahead. Otherwise, please, I would request you. I have seen my life. I can bet on that, and I'm very frank and open. So first, get hold of a any kind of a discipline, job or theoretical research, which will give you money, which will fetch you money. Once money is there on your head, you can do anything. And that is what I am telling. I have suffered. You don't know my, again, I will come live and I will share my personal experience, which I really don't do, even with my wife. I'm a very private kind of a person. But today I'm saying you, I know how things are. Please, please do not fall into that I will become like Perelman or Stephen Hawking, etc. There are different categories of people. Their infrastructure, their scholarship system is not like that, right? So that is what it is. Okay, Landau Shiv, yeah. I view math as finding order in chaos. Yes, definitely, Mark. Mathematics is all about finding order in chaos, right? Okay. So any further question? I will just and a few more things which I would like to. What was the no? That is why I just used to going for MBA. Yeah. So you see, all of you, this is okay. My qualification mathematics hub is asking. Okay, if you really want to know my qualification, you can check it in my Facebook profile. I have done my graduation. I've done my masters, physics, mathematics, etc. You can check it in my Facebook profile, Mathematics Hub. You can see my qualification. What are the works I have done? Few of the applied research in from the areas in Czechoslovakia, etc. But I am more of a mentor kind of a person. I really don't like to be a very heavy-hearted person, right? On something like, okay, so I am doctor so and so, stay there. No, come to me, talk to me, let us explore together. I'm more of a facilitator. Okay, can you suggest something about choosing PhD supervisor? Shobhik Pal. Okay, Shobhik, what you need to do, I will just provide my WhatsApp number once more. This is a very good question. Okay, 98300 93979. Oh, I'm so sorry. Not this one. That is my college number. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This one. Okay, 983021967. Okay, so thing is that Shobhik, just send me a WhatsApp message, right? And let me know which place, which country, where do you want a PhD supervisor. Definitely, I will talk to my any of the professors, and I will definitely provide it to you, right? So please, this number 983021967. This is my personal number. That is my office. I mean to say college number. So send me here what you want. What is the location, Shobik? I will definitely help you. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Would definitely like to connect with you somewhere. Yeah, Harsh, you have my mobile number, WhatsApp number. You can connect, and definitely we can talk more about that. I think this live is will be good. I can give few of that, brother. When are you visiting Bangalore? I want to meet an enthusiasm teacher, Rakesh. Okay, Bangalore. I think it won't be September. I will give you a just WhatsApp me with your name, Rakesh, from YouTube Live. I will store you my number. Okay. I will definitely meet. I love meeting people. Okay. Any work on an open problem, sir? Can you suggest any physics books that you have amazed? Ah, rockstar Abhi, you got me. I'm getting my breakfast late to dinner late today. Okay, so Abhi, the first book, if I tell the very first book which I stole from my father's library is this one. I'm typing it out. But remember, this is not a mathematical book. Okay, this is not a mathematical book. The first book which created enthusiasm in physics is this one, Dancing Woolly Masters by Gary Zukav. Okay, but this is a very easy book on theoretical physics, starting from Newtonian mechanics, quantum mechanics, relativity, etc. But Abhi, because you asked me, this is one book which has really amazed me. But my father told me then that, are you an idiot? I told, what happened? So he told me that if you really want to learn physics and mathematics, these are not the books you should read. You should go more into understanding the real mathematics, and life went on. So another book recently which I have read, it is not here. It is in the other room. I will just type out the name. This is a very good book. It is a very good. The Brilliant Blunders, and this is the book where Einstein, I think five mathematician physicists, they have. It was written what are the biggest mistakes that they have made. Right. So you can read. It's a mistake by scientist, and what are the one of the best things that came up in physics in spite of their mistake. Brilliant Blunders, one of the best books in physics I have read. Okay, Davar says, Davar J. Deka. I'm so sorry in names, right? I am actually preparing for joint entrance examination. Your videos are, oh, thank you very much. Lots of love and respect with me. I am madly in love with physics. Okay, nowadays, what is happening, I don't know. Maybe you can all tell me because you are very young people. The YouTube views are going down nowadays. I mean to say, earlier I used to see at least 1,000 views coming up in 1 or 2 days' time, but maybe people are not liking me, so I need to make better videos. So don't worry. So I will just tell you before I close down. uh, yeah, so yeah, so see, this is something great. Harsh is wishing to Davar all the best. Hope the motivation goes through examination. Mistake in physics gets a Nobel Prize. Yeah. So to Davar, if you feel at any time you need to talk to me, you are feeling down, demotivated, just give me a WhatsApp message and mention that this is Davar from YouTube Live, sir. I want to talk to you. A short format has a great tendency, more views. Okay, so yeah, Mark is now motivating me. Mark is a very naughty guy. He constantly keeps on poking and nodding me, motivating me. Thanks, Mark. I really like, but he's a very, very, very brilliant person. I think is anyway. So what I wanted to tell you is that at any point of time, Davar J Deka, or anybody feels that you're down, demotivated, please contact me. And remember that examinations are not that all. Okay, examination just for passing. Okay, please make fields on mathematics for quantum field theory. Oh, yeah, I think I promised somebody. Sovik is telling, okay. Okay, Sovik, I have 3, 4 more lessons. Let this quantum mechanics, normal quantum mechanics be done, and then I will make physics and on quantum field theory. So my plan for 2023 is that make more videos on mathematics of quantum mechanics. I am coming up with a absolutely fresh new series of videos on what is called calculus, right, basic calculus to partial differential equation, a full complete video series, and a complete video series on classical mechanics. You all know classical mechanics, but there are so many people who request me. I think classical mechanics should be there. uh, Sir, please. Okay, if you don't upload constantly, gets behind the, yeah. But I constantly, Arya, thank you for the advice. I try to make it. Last year when I started, it was once in a week. Now I am making 3, 4 days, and my health is also going down. I mean, it's not that well, but I have to wake up. See, it is 10:30. And I will be going to sleep around 5:30 in the morning because I have to make 2 more videos and work on my research. But anyway, okay, when you upload, yeah. Chat GPT, yes, Mark, you need to educate me. Please get in touch with me through WhatsApp. This is something which I make. Chat GPT is something I really don't know. So, Mark, it is your job to educate me. Please, I don't, because I'm an old person getting close to 45, 46. So, Chat GPT, a lot of people say about Chat GPT. Please do let me know. So, just do you edit your videos by your own? Yes, 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 Harsh. See, I don't use much of a very high end iPhone. I don't have an iPhone. I will be very frank and open with you. I don't have an iPhone, and I just edit it normal presentation. I try to make it simple. Only the thing is that I want to give a visual effect. Now, see what happens in complex mathematics. People really do not cannot visualize things. So all I try to do, my right hand. So with mouse, I try to draw, draw, draw. More I draw, more I make visual things, things will become good to see such a hardworking teacher. Thank you, Rakesh. Teachers are always hardworking, otherwise you cannot succeed as a teacher. And again, I will tell you, the one video is going viral. I don't know what is wrong with YouTube. One video nowadays are going viral, that is your interview questions as a mathematics teacher. Every day I can see at least 200 to 300 people are watching that video. But I'm very happy. I know I made that video 1 year back and there were no views, absolutely no use. Okay, but the thing is that nowadays people are viewing it. So I made a very recent video on questions as a physics teacher. I request all the 15 candidates, please go through that video, because that is a live video which I have taken notes when I was in Bangalore IISc. Lot of big institutes I have there with my friends. I sat in the interview board and I saw how people really failed, not because of mathematics, not because of quantum theory, because of the attitude, because of the overall question answer they cannot answer. So there's a video on my playlist called interview. You will see it, that I have constructed it on a park in Calcutta here, and I have made a point that let us be online and let us talk, and please watch those points. It is very important. I make it out of my own effort. I take my wife out. I tell that please hold the camera, because I cannot find anybody to hold the camera. So I make so much of effort only to educate you, only to help you, and you will come and one day we will say, Shounak sir, I've got a job. I feel so happy. I give myself a treat. Okay. I'm currently reading The Dream of Final Theory. Okay, I really don't know the name, Dream of Final Theory. You can send it to my WhatsApp. I will purchase that book. It is easy to use after all you complex math. Which software do you use for editing on this case? Oh, Harsh, I really use plain Microsoft PowerPoint. And I have got another software. Hold on, what is that? This is called what, KineMaster or KineMaster? Is it that? Okay, yeah, that is how. That this. Did great mathematicians like Riemann, Gauss, Newton used to particle math every day? Used to particle math every day. I cannot understand GOAT your answer. So if you can put it, I'm preparing for ISI and CMI for UG, but not able to solve tough problem. Okay, Karan, just go slow, just go slow. Mathematical problems are something which won't come in a day. I tell that if you do exercise every day and you see, oh, see my muscles, it won't happen. It will take 6 months, 1 year. Your strict diet, your regular food, your regular sleep. So, Karan, your advice is that go slow, step by step. Don't worry. Don't worry. Everything will come to your head. We are human beings. We invented how to go to moon. We invented everything. So, to everyone, I would say, um, just, just believe yourself. I can do. You fail, you do. You fail, you do. You fail, you do. You will achieve. There is nothing impossible, my dear. I don't believe that for mathematics you need to have a different brain. For physics you need to be brilliant. No. Maybe in order to pass a particular examination you did, but nothing that. Did geometry after that Riemann geometry? Yes or no? I'm planning to go for a PhD in physics. Any advice, sir? Please go ahead. High energy physics, PB, if you are really want to do, it has got very good job prospect and it has got a very high scale salary and you can do really well. Yes, please go ahead. No problem. High energy physics. Oh, you know, Professor, what is his name? Santosh Karn, PB, you don't know Santosh Karn? I will connect you. Professor at Delhi University, I will connect him with you. Just go and talk to him. He's a very nice person, very helping person. He has done his doctorate in high energy physics. So, PB, you need to WhatsApp me this number of mine and let me know. I will connect. Don't worry. Sir, is math lead or you lead math? No, Mark, you are asking me really tricky questions. When doing proof, it looks it looks after a few steps down the line, it guides you. Uh, uh, this is a very philosophical question. Mark is a very naughty person, but I like him very much. Don't take me wrong, Mark. Are you angry? Okay. Uh, See, actually, what happens when you do a lot of mathematics, you skip the steps. So, first step, second step, automatically you can visualize that third, fourth step will be this, and fifth step will be this. I'm so sorry that Mark, my videos are not up to the mark. Maybe some of them have really, I have skipped that. Very sorry for that, Mark. I will make sure that I make it step by step. But if you do mathematics, more and more and more and more and more and more, every day fix up a time, keep this instrument off. This is tremendous, this is very bad. I will always recommend all of you to put this mobile, throw it away when you're doing maths. Just concentrate. So automatically it is a kind of intuition. So you, the colors of the rainbow, you see the colors on painting, it will automatically come. Nothing to worry, Aro. It will come. Believe me, I am telling you with confidence today in YouTube Live. Believe me, it will come. Nothing is impossible. Just keep on doing. Just talk to the right person. Connect with me. Connect with professors. Don't worry. It will be happening. Okay. Yeah, yeah. So Harsh has given a go to a very, What is your view on IISC, sir? Pawan, can you put the full form? I am unable to understand. Oh, I mean great mathematician like Riemann, Gauss, Perelman, Newton. Ah, this is a very interesting question. GOAT. This is a very important question. Oh, you love my wallpaper. Oh, that's okay. I made it. This is Gautam Buddha, which I keep for the peace of my mind. And this is, yeah, this is an old mobile. I'm an old person, right? Okay, so I will understand. Mark, sorry, my video. Okay, I will. Okay, Indian Institute of Science. Okay, I will come to that. But before that, very important question. What Goat is asking. See, I will tell you, if you have really read the detailed life of Newton. I will consider Newton one of the greatest physicists living. Newton. After that, Perelman, etc. If you see that, you will see in one of my videos about the life of Isaac Newton. Now this is serious. You might say that Newton is Newton, Einstein is Einstein. No, If you see my video, I have you actually I have stated there's a I don't have the book. It's a huge book, 1,000 pages. You know the name of the book? I will type it out. If you possible, it is expensive. I know. Never at rest. This is about the life of Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton used to study 18 to 19 hours a day, my dear, in order to become Isaac Newton. 18 to 19 hours a day. His butler told me that he did not eat, he did not went to bathroom, he has no nature's call, no food. He has written in that book. And he used to say that after 2 3 days of study, he will say, "Oh, come on, I need to have some little bit of food." Grigori Perelman shut himself for 7 years at his home in St. Petersburg. I mean to say, yes, Mark, they are naturally gifted. They are naturally gifted, but human struggle and effort has to be there. It cannot, I do not believe it if you say that Newton just became Newton without doing mathematics. No. Einstein just, no, no, no. Newton, Perelman, Riemann, they have to sit with hours. Yes, they had an intuition. I believe what Mark is telling, they are naturally gifted, but that natural gift won't come until they do mathematics. So, GOAT, your answer is that yes, yes, yes. A lot of practice. Believe me, you won't believe me because you are young. You might be saying, what this old man Shounak is saying. But believe me, it requires practice. Huge, huge practice. I'm sorry to tell that. Uh, Indian Institute of Science. Yes, I don't have any associate, but I will look into my LinkedIn profile, Harsh Vijay. If you need someone in IISc, I will definitely get in touch. What are the best tools for PhD mathematics? Best tools in the sense, Ben, are you talking of softwares or books? I really cannot understand. Yes, 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 Mark. Einstein said has been passionately curious. Right. So sorry, I got a bad throat, suffering since last 1 month. So it has been really great talking with you. Right. Let me know all 15 wonderful people. I learned a lot from Harsh, lot from Goat, lot from others. Uh, what is your preferred medium of learning new? Is it book or videos? A very, very, very good question. I will take this question, then I have to sign off to take a little bit of food. I'm hungry. Mark and to others, let me be very honest with you. Okay. I would say, Mark, it is book. It is book. Why? Because videos cause distraction. You see a video, my tabs are open right now. I cannot share the screen. I don't know how to share the screen. I am doing a little bit of study on bra and ket notation of quantum mechanics, but books. I would request with folded hands to all the young people, 16 young dynamic people, please don't study videos first. First, go for the books. That doesn't mean that you won't watch my videos. Okay. But the thing is that when you're watching the videos, the best thing you know to do is that download the video from YouTube, disconnect the internet, and then study. One click, oh, okay, this is ket notation. Another click, okay, this is that. Another click. So once you go back, I have spoken about this on my study on differential geometry. You go back, go back. When you come back after 5 minutes, you have forgot everything. You have confused everything. You don't understand everything, anything. So what you do is that you download the videos, disconnect internet and read the video, take notes, look the video, take notes. Okay, I understand this, I don't understand this. So for this I need another video, for this I another need website, for this I need another blog. Got my point? But if you're connected to internet, it is human psychology that you get diverted one to another, one to another, one to another. What nonsense. Then you come back after 20 minutes, you forget everything. Don't take me wrong, I'm very emotional about this. So please Disconnect the internet. Videos are very good. YouTube, I am there. There are a lot of people. I myself, I'm trying the best to make YouTube a platform where you can learn anything, starting from 1 plus 1 equals to 2 to Hilbert space. I have got that mission. I will make videos in such a way that you will learn everything, and my WhatsApp is there to talk to me. Simple. My life's mission is very simple. I've got my daughter, she is studying, I help her in studying. Other than that, I don't do anything. I really watch movies, but I like world movies. I like action movies. I was watching this one, Pearl Harbor, and then Hacksaw Ridge. I like those movies. Anyway, so that is one video. Not video, yes, without disconnecting the internet. I'm continuing Mishu Kaku. By the way, I'm something I will definitely here. Yeah, but again, sorry, Davar, Mishu Kaku is a brilliant scientist. He has got brilliant books, but again, these are non-mathematical books, Davar. So be sure that do not make a confirmation. Do not say that, okay, so string theory means this. No. And I will tell you today a very open truth. Today, I am unable to make further videos on string theory. Why, you know? I will tell you the truth. I don't feel shy telling that. I am unable to make videos on string theory. Why, you know? Because I really don't understand the mathematics. I don't understand. They're so complex mathematics. So to Dower, Mishukaku's book are good, very motivational, very easy, but that is not the end of the world. These are very hyper and superficial ideas. This is not physics. This is not mathematics. Learn the root of mathematics, then go to Mishukaku. I'm sorry, Deka, I'm not making you angry or don't feel bad, but that is how it is. Don't go for these books. Not even the book I have written, Dancing Valley Master. These are absolutely destructive books. You create a romantic idea, oh, black hole. So if I dive inside the black hole, then it will take me to another world. No, these are mathematical conjectures which has not yet been proved. We can only visualize black hole. We can only make Schwarzschild metric, etc. But who knows what will happen when you go near the black holes? So you create a wrong idea and you destroy your career. I'm sorry. Don't take me wrong, right? Deka, are you angry with me? Don't be angry with me. Yeah. So how are you consistent and focused, Karan? I really don't know, but I have dedicated my entire life. I don't know how long I will live. As long as I will live, I will serve myself as a servant of mathematics. I will create videos. I will keep on lecturing all those things until and unless I see that the entire young generation is highly educated in mathematics. That is my only. I really don't have anything else to share. Very simple. Einstein professor tried to change and stop the study of physics because he thought Einstein isn't gifted. Yes, true. Einstein professor, but even other discipline, I'm less gifted. Yes, very true. Yes, Thanu Padmanabhan. Yes, in my videos of general relativity, I have given Thanu Padmanabhan as reference. Oh my goodness, he's a great professor. Great professor. He died very recently. I'm so sorry. Yeah. So I find a mixed recipe for disaster always open mind, even if you have feels well. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. It is almost an hour, and believe me, I thought that nobody will come online. Believe me, I'm so happy, and I can do a little bit to you. Any book you need, soft copy. Any book, any advice, any professor, any problem, please feel free to contact me. I might not be able. Okay, somebody asked me that how do you learn how to learn English speaking mathematics hub. Okay, so I will give you a free tip, and I will teach you free. Chalo, fine. Mathematics hub. So to learn English, especially for interviews and communication, I would say practice. There is a mirror in my bedroom, right? And you go in front of the mirror and you start speaking. Just speak. And if you feel that you are unable to come out of words, contact me. I will tell you. I will be very honest with you, mathematics hub. I will just help you in that. If you are unable to understand, give me a video call. I will initially tell you one, two, three, four. What are the do's and don'ts? Practice, practice, practice. Keep on making audio. Send it to me. I will correct it. Keep on making audio. Send it to me. I will correct it. Only thing is that without practice, nothing happens. Both with mathematics and English. And mathematics hub. I don't know your name. I'm just addressing it like that. Only thing is that just go slow. What happens is that these days, what happened? Oh, yesterday I was getting up the elevator, and there were two young ladies, very weirdly dressed. Don't take me wrong. They were talking, and each and every line they were telling. So I went to to the morning shopping. Like it was great. Like it was great. So I was thinking, what are they speaking? And that girl was singing, like the dress was beautiful, like the drink was beautiful. What is happening? They are lacking words. They do not have the words to speak. And that is why, like, everybody is speaking like. Now, why is that? Because you're speaking too fast. Go slow. I woke up in the morning and took my coffee, pause. Then I went to greet my mother, take a pause. After that, I sat with my books on calculus, take a pause, slowly, 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 slowly. So automatically it will come that when you speak. Even I get lost of words. You see, when I am talking to on YouTube videos, etc., I also make preparation. Do you think that videos come like this? For one day, I have to make a preparation, then the script, then everything. Anyway, that is my part. I love teaching, so that's it. So thank you, everybody. I will take a leave today. And do you think that we can come again live on Saturdays or Sunday? Any idea? Can you just put it, Rakesh, PB, Davar? Do you think that we can talk like this, which will really help you in your career? Okay, Mark says next Saturday would be fine. Yes, Goat. I will tell you one biggest mathematician who is slow in mathematics. Do you know his name? Anybody can guess? Goat has asked a question. Are there some mathematicians who were really slow in math? Anybody? Okay, I will tell you. No, 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 not Artan, not Einstein. No, 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 no. Not Riemann. No, 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 no. I will tell you. He is a living legend. Dr. Roger Penrose. Go to his video and see when he was given a problem in school level mathematics, he used to stay outside the window. Everybody solved the problem in 5 minutes time. He took 25 minutes time to do that. And he has acknowledged that in his Nobel Prize video. And he told that people who are slow in maths are better in maths. And I agree. You know the reason why? You know the reason, Goat, why? Because when you are slow, you can think more deeply. When you are fast, you cannot think deeply. You just solve the problem within 2 minutes, a big integration problem. That's it. But when you go slow, you think more deeply, you invent more thing. So yeah, it is Dr. Roger Penrose, extremely slow in mathematics, won the Nobel Prize for black hole theorem. Oh, thank you, Soumik. Your topology lectures helped me in PhD. Thank you, thank you. I am making more videos on topology, Soumik. I am making more videos on topology. I will make more on connectedness, compactness. I'm coming up because I make in Maxwell, topology, differential equation, then this general relativity. I don't know if I could keep another assistant, it would be great. I want to make so, but anyway, I will do that. Don't worry. Samik, I am so delighted that my lectures have helped me, you in topology, in PhD. I'm so very happy. I'm so delighted. Thank you very, very much, Samik. Thank you very much. Uh, Chat GPT, again, Mark, teach me from Monday onwards. This is your job. I don't have anything. The people talk about Chat GPT. I don't know what it is. These are all coming up in news. My daughter was also saying Chat GPT. I really don't know. Okay, so thank you, every 14 people and those who have joined and left. Let me know a date in this chat on in YouTube where I can come. But next time, what we will do is that every Sunday would be great. Okay, differential geometry link, I will send it. Let me have a little bit of dinner. I will send it to you because my mother is getting angry now. So and next time when we come, let us fix up a topic on which we speak. For example, interview question, for example, how to introduce. Otherwise, just talking really doesn't help. We have to be focused and we should learn something, right? Professor, can you tell me how to master permutation? Okay, good. You get in touch with me through my WhatsApp number 983021968. It is very easy. Go. Don't worry. I will give you some very good books. Just practice. It is done. I am similar with gratitude. Okay. Thank you, Deka. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Your effort is highly appreciated. I joined late. Okay. This is Chandra Mani Pandey. Yes, yes. Chandra, sir, thank you very much. And I know. Good night, sir. Have your dinner. Yes, Davar says next Saturday or Sunday. Okay, I will announce it in the community tab, right? that what time I will be coming. Definitely, it gives a lot of pleasure. And let us fix up a topic thing. 10000 to the power infinity. Thanks, Ben Mokhtar Lofti. Thank you very much. Please share my videos. My only request is that more you share my videos, let other people also know, and let science become more popular. That is my objective, right? Sharing is also caring. Yeah, Mark is absolutely up to the mark. Don't worry, I keep on pulling legs because you are all junior to me. So you're just like my children, right? Karan Nalwar, thank you, thank you. So I'm ending the stream. I will announce it in the community box when I will be coming next. So Saturday, Sundays, I think is preferable because you all are free and we can talk. So great. Once I ask the question, has anyone reformulated general relativity like Lagrange formulated mechanics? Yes, a very good question. Who is this goat? I need to check out in the research. Ashtekar. Yes, 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 yes. Here you get goat. Abhay Ashtekar. Are you talking of Abhay Ashtekar? Yes, I think he has done it through that Ashtekar variables. I think that Ashtekar variables. I need to check. As if it's so very complex things nowadays. Ashtikar variable, right? Okay. So stay focused, and to Deka, all the best wishes for your examination. Don't feel down. Anytime you feel contacting me, please do contact. Anyone undergoing an interview, general interview, please contact me. I am good in giving tips because that is what I do mostly in my college through international webinars. Is that I try to give the last minute tip what is going to happen. Recently, there are two jobs for physics jobs in this what you call Sukhothai, Thailand. So these two girls, I think they will probably get selected. So I always contact me. I will give you the last minute tips. Right? Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you all. This is the usual Indian way to say thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody. Keep posting. Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Take care. Bye. I'm so very thankful to all of you. I will announce the next date very soon. Probably next week we will again talk. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Oh, thank you. Okay, happy birthday. Can we all wish happy birthday to Deka? Can we all wish happy birthday to Deka? Happy birthday to you, my dear son. Happy birthday very much. Wishing you all the best. And don't worry about the interview. You're going to do best. You're going to rock. And wishing you all wish it's a very happy birthday to Deka. Okay, Mark is willing. Yeah, this is fellow feeling, right? Everybody coming together, everybody being happy. So Karan is always on the top. Happy birthday. Okay, chalo, it is 1 hour. Great talking to you. Again, our heartfelt thanks, gratitude to all of you who have come online. It is great interacting with you, and we will continue interacting because we need to learn a lot. There are a lot of new things which are happening. Yeah, happy birthday. PB is also wishing Deka happy birthday. Okay, chalo, take care. Bye. I'm ending this session. Very good night and wishing you all the best. Bye.